It's like you hurting me.
Get down, get down.
Oh.
No way, it's down.
What?
Ah,
That was
some gay
Danny's turn.
stuff. That was some gay stuff.
Oh!
Let me see that. Show Danny's.
Look at Danny's. This is some crazy.
Look at mine.
Yeah, look at mine. Mine's fine, dude. Mine's fine.
Because you don't get hit. Have chubby fingers.
He got chubby fingers. Sausage fingers.
That's my turn. That's my turn to kill.
Oh!
Yes! 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 Shut up, Danny.
Yo, light him up.
That dented bone. I'm not gonna be able to.
Oh my, you dented the quarter. The quarter is dented.
No.
I swear to God.
That's not from a knuckle, is it?
I never seen that on there.
I never see that on there either.
I told you that bone is fresh.
Yo. Nuts, bro.
Nuts, bro. Alright, Danny.
I gotta get nuts on the end.
No, Cody, you're done. You quit.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Dude, I can't. Hold on, watch up.
Yikes.
Boys. No, you was putting the opposite way. Dang it.
Got it, Cody.
Go, Angel. Almost silent as hell. Drop, it's me, it's me. Oh, Angel. Angel's waiting for it to fall. Dude, play this game.
It sounds like I think I lost feeling in that knuckle though. I think that's why.
Dan's like, yeah, okay, hit it.